Hello everyone, I am Muskan and I am currently working in Hero MotoCorp, placed through ICAI campus. First of all, my heartiest congratulations to everyone who have finally cleared CA finals and are using CA as a prefix to their names. This feeling is unimaginable. You have actually made everyone proud. Now, what next? So, the party must be over by now. So, now it's time to actually reap fruits or benefits of all the hard work that you have put in your chartered accountant examinations. Now, one such tree to get this fruit from is ICAI campus. Now, you guys must be thinking, ki, nahi, I want to establish my own business, I want to start my own practice, I don't want a job or anything else. But guys, let me tell you, everyone should attend campus. This is my personal opinion that this whole experience, whole journey is completely different. तुम्हें एक्चुअल में पता चलता है that where you stand right now among thousands of chartered accountants that have qualified. So in this video we will be talking about my own journey, my own experiences and the mistakes that I've committed through this entire journey of campus, starting from filling up the forms till getting placed. So रिज़ल्ट आने के बाद विद इन अ मंथ फॉर्म्स आ जाते हैं एंड यू नीड टू फिल दोज फॉर्म्स. फॉर्म ही तो फिल करना है, पूरी सी में यही तो करा है. बट नो, दिस इज़ डिफरेंट बिकॉज दिस सिंगल फॉर्म विल गोना डिसाइड योर शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग क्राइटेरिया. Each and every yes and no matters a lot. So here I committed a mistake. Last May they asked about yes and no type questions, so many questions, and I was in a rush, so I just ticked on no, and I got shortlisted from just 4 companies, which was very disheartening. But yes, things happen, it's okay. So please बहुत calmly आपको वो form fill up करना है. For those who have got rank in CA finals, so उस फॉर्म में एक छोटे से बॉक्स बनाते हैं जिसमें यू हैव टू मेंशन योर रैंक, बट दैट कॉलम इज़ ऑटो पॉपुलेटेड, अनएडिटेबल होता है. यू कैन नॉट टाइप योर ओन रैंक, सो डोंट नीड टू पैनिक. वो रैंक ऑटोमेटिकली पॉपअप हो जाएगा जब भी आपका फाइनल फॉर्म का सबमिशन होगा. अगर फिर भी आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है, सो यू कैन आस्क फ्रॉम ICAI हेल्प डेस्क और सपोर्ट. Now, moving on to the next step, the shortlisting. So within a few days, you'll get shortlisting on that very portal that ICAI has created. You can see that how many companies have shortlisted you, their packages, their profiles. Now, many companies can shortlist you, but you can only appear for the interview in just 4 companies. So you have to select those 4 companies very wisely, depending upon your own interests, the packages, if that's the criteria, and be it industry or big 4, like what is your preference among these. So now you have selected 4 companies of your choice. Now the next step is towards technical preparation, like how to prepare for the interview, for the campus. There will be many people, the competition will be very tough, but it's just all about your confidence. सबने सेम ही चीज़ें पढ़ी हैं, सब लोग सेम स्टेज पर खड़े हुए हैं, सो देयर इज़ नथिंग टू वरी अबाउट एंड कंपटीशन से डरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. सो टेक्निकली आपको प्रिपेयर्ड रहना है. टेक्निकल प्रिपरेशन में कुछ पॉइंट्स हैं जो हमने कवर करे हैं. सो टेक्निकल प्रिपरेशन को वी हैव डिवाइडेड इनटू 2 पार्ट्स. फर्स्ट वन इज़ कंपनी स्पेसिफिक प्रिपरेशन एंड द सेकेंड पार्ट इज़ योर जनरल प्रिपरेशन. So in company specific preparations, the very first thing that you need to do is read annual reports. It will take 2 to 3 hours to read the annual report of that company. You can, if it is a listed company, it will be easily available on the website of the company, and even if it is a non-listed company, then you can get it on MCA website. So in annual reports you don't have to run through each and every word, so just highlight the basic things that you should know about every company. So the main products, their board of directors, the management, key shareholders, or the key investments that the company has done, and the EBITDA, the debt equity ratio, their profits, their revenues, and anything that you feel relevant for yourself, just take notes of that. The second thing that you need to do is a comprehensive research of that particular company. You can go on Google, type the company's name and click on news, and you'll get to know कि कहाँ पर आपकी company in talks है. So you should have a fair idea that where are you going, how big the company is, and that's it. And you, if it is a listed company, you can also track the market movement of it, market price, like the share price. So this is about the company specific preparation. And talking about the general preparation, so you need to be very cautious about that, that the profile that you want, you should prepare for that, be it taxation. So you should have a fair idea of all the updates that are going on into the taxation part. And if you want to be in auditing part, then all the auditing things that you need to refresh. And if it is regarding the core finance, then just have a look at your SFM formulas and NPV types things. So we will separately make a video on profile specific questions that are being asked and the things that you need to study for each profile. Now the second thing that you need to prepare for is just refresh your articleship experience, whatever you have done in your articleship, like the key accomplishments or the observations that you have pointed out. So like the very practical and macro approach, because interviewer might ask you about these things in face-to-face interactions, so you have to be ready with that. Now the second thing is behavioral questions that you need to prepare. This is again an important part. The interviewer judge you on the basis of these questions, so we will also be providing you a list of behavioral questions along with standard answers or the right way to answer these questions. You guys can refer that. Now the next thing is, we chartered accountants while studying tend to forget the whole world, the whatever happening outside, but this thing will not gonna work from now onwards. So yes, I am talking about newspaper. Start reading newspaper daily, regularly. This will really gonna help you in group discussions or even one-to-one interactions. This will broaden your view. And I'm not talking about just the India. You should have an idea of things happening around the globe. So start reading a nice newspaper, be it Economic Times or Times of India or Hindustan Times, The Hindu, any newspaper. Also, union budget is also a hot topic for group discussion. So build your opinion on union budget financial year 21-22. So this was about the technical preparations that you need to do before your campus interview. Now comes the D-Day. So from here onwards, I would like to narrate my own experience. So 9 बजे पहुँचना था वहाँ पर इंटरव्यू के लिए. I woke up at around 6 o'clock and I got ready. And ready means white crisp shirt, a black trouser, black bellies for girls and shoes for boys, black belt, and you can also have a blazer on. I was not carrying one, so I'll be covering the reason of this in further video. After getting ready, just look yourself in the mirror, work on everything, like very basic hygiene parts like your hair, your eyes, your face, your nose, your teeth, your ears. Make sure you smell good, make sure you're wearing comfortable clothes, and just get ready. Eat light food to avoid any stomach issues, and try to reach at the campus 1 hour before, because no one wants any fuzz on the D-Day. And also you'll get mentally relaxed. Just carry the newspaper, nothing else, no material to read. Yeah, you can take the notes of annual reports that you have taken, or any just one-pager notes of anything that you've studied. That's it. No need to carry any books or something like that. I reached the campus 1 hour earlier, and aspirants were coming like a flood. And 3 things that help you in reaching the finishing line is just stand still, straight and confident, and half the battle is already won. हर एक कंपनी के लिए different sections थे, तो we were waiting in our own sections. But I got very nervous when I got to know that the company has shortlisted 160 candidates just for the 3 positions. So to gather myself, I had to do something because I was losing confidence every time I see a new guy coming in for the interview. So मैंने 2 चीज़ें करी. First of all, मैंने अपनी expectations को कम कर दिया. उससे ऑटोमेटिकली मेरा जो मेंटल प्रेशर मैं फेस कर रही थी वो कम हो गया. अगर मेंटल प्रेशर रिलीज़ हो गया तो जो एक्चुअली पॉजिटिव चीज़ें मेरे माइंड में स्टोर थी, जो भी टेक्निकल पढ़ाई मैंने करी थी, उसको एक पाथ मिला बाहर आने का. तो आपके पास दो चॉइसेस होती हैं, ईदर यू लेट योर मेंटल प्रेशर ओवरशैडो द थिंग्स यू ऑलरेडी नो, और वाइसा वर्सा, एंड लोअरिंग डाउन योर एक्सपेक्टेशंस विल गोना हेल्प you in that. So this is the one thing that you should do. The second thing that I believe in is looking different makes me feel confident. So this is the reason that I was not wearing a blazer and every single person in the campus was carrying one. So whatever makes you feel confident, just do that. One thing that I really want to tell you guys is that कि अगर आपको लग रहा है ना कि यार 100 बंदे आए हुए हैं, मैं कैसे compete करूँगा, तो उन 100 बंदों को भी यही लग रहा है कि यार इतने सारे बंदे हैं, how will I gonna compete. सब लोग एक जैसे हैं, सब लोग सेम पेज पर हैं, सब लोग सेम बुक्स पढ़ कर आए हैं, सब लोग एग्ज़ाम क्रैक करके आए हैं. सो जस्ट हैव फेथ ऑन योर सेल्फ. Again, I would say just be confident. This is one of the most important thing that you need to do in campus. Now comes the group discussion part. So everyone was divided in a group of 8 people जिनका GD हुआ था, and from every section of 8 people, every batch of 8 people, 3 people were selected. So group discussion में ना I would say कि what I felt was 3 main things. First is just make it an interaction. Do not get into the debate. Just be interactive. Do not think the opposite one as your competitor. Just interact normally as if you are exchanging your viewpoints. The second important thing, that you should speak qualitative points. Obviously you should speak, this is a must thing, but you should speak quality. Your every word should make a difference. And the third thing that you need to do is if you can just try to relate the topic of your group discussion with the company for which you are giving the interview. So this way you can express that yes, you have done a comprehensive research on the company. So this is all about group discussion, and also we will gonna make a separate video on how to tackle group discussion. Then after group discussion, around 50 people got promoted in the second round. So the second round was a panel of interviewers. There might be 3, 4 or maybe 2. So it was just a normal conversation. So here comes the technical part that you have studied. So once you have cleared the GD ना, आपका confidence level automatically high हो जाता है. So आगे के levels बहुत easy लगते हैं. So the main battle is about group discussion. Then personal interaction में I still remember it was a very tricky question. Like बहुत general था, but I actually didn't expect such kind of questions. So I think you guys should prepare for these type of questions. So the question was, suppose you are the CFO of McD food chain, and you have to describe the 5 strategies to optimize the costs. Like you want the profit percentage to go up, so you have to build upon 5 strategies. So I think हियर कम्स कि यार इस टाइम पे आपको ना माइंड में बहुत सारी चीज़ें चल रही होती हैं, तो बेटर है कि मेंटल प्रेशर को दूर रखो सो दैट यू कैन थिंक स्ट्रैटेजिकली. सो यहाँ पर वो आपका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू चेक करते हैं कि आप कितना मैक्रो सोचते हो. सो ये आपको ओवर द पीरियड आपको डेवलप करना पड़ेगा. इसके लिए कोई पढ़ाई नहीं है, कोई बुक नहीं है जो आप रीड करो, बट हाँ यू कैन रीड न्यूज़पेपर फॉर दैट. Then again इस वाले राउंड के बाद अराउंड 20 people were left, and then it was the CFO round. So CFO round तक जाते जाते आपको कॉन्फिडेंस और भी थोड़ा बिल्डअप हो जाता है. CFO राउंड में भी वही नॉर्मल इंटरेक्शन होता है. दे आस्क सर्टेन क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू वेरी प्रैक्टिकल थिंग्स. सो आपने थियोरेटिकल जो करा है उसी से ही आपको रिलेटेड प्रैक्टिकल चीज़ें थोड़ी आइडिया लग जाएगा एक बारी आपके आर्टिकलशिप एक्सपीरियंस से भी. सो वो एक्सप्लेन करना इतना टफ नहीं होता. एंड ऑल्सो अगर यार कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं भी आता ना, तो उस पर स्टक नहीं रहना कभी भी. कोई भी पर्सनल इंटरव्यू हो, इफ़ यू डोंट नो द आंसर ऑफ वन क्वेश्चन, जस्ट फॉरगेट अबाउट इट. जस्ट स्पीक क्लियरली दैट यू हैव टू गो थ्रू इट. इट्स कम्प्लीटली नॉर्मल. सबको 100% तो किसी को भी नहीं आता ना, सो ठीक है, इट्स फाइन. जस्ट फोकस ऑन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट द इंटरव्यू विल गोना थ्रो. So finally 3 people got shortlisted and the interview got over. Now one thing that I would suggest you guys कि अवॉइड करिएगा सेम डे पर 2 जगह पर इंटरव्यू, बिकॉज दैट एक्चुअली क्रिएट्स अ फस. बट in case you are not left with any other option than giving the interview in both the companies on the same day, then एक फेथ में किसी एक पर्सन को रखिएगा जो आपको कॉल कर सके whenever your turn comes up. And there is a pro tip for all those who couldn't get any call, any shortlisting from any company. So campus में walk-ins भी होते हैं, so you guys should come to campus for 5 to 6 days, and you can have walk-ins over there. And if by chance there is a vacancy in any company, so it can be filled up with the walk-ins. So guys, this is just a quick walkthrough of the ICAI campus and many more things to come. I hope you all would have liked the video. If I missed anything, you can just mention in the comment box, or if you have any specific questions, you can again mention in the comment box and we'll try to get back with it. Thank you, all the very best. Bye bye.